song and dance, the incomparable Shim O'Short. Shim O'Short. You know Shim O'Short. You know, you're absolutely right. Save your applause for the end. It's only fair. So as you know, I'm never pretending not to, which I can't. By the way, I know that game. My dad was a living legend of song and dance from Saskatoon. He became a famous Canadian film star. And there's so many of those. And so now, without further ado, here's a scene from a film that my dad starred in that always makes me smile. The Man in the Moon.
I have a feeling we're not in Saskatchewan anymore. They say make hay while the sun shines. Each morning get up and do your chores. Strangle some chickens, slaughter some pigs, and sweep all the crap from the floor. Yes, it's hard just to sing about rainbows when you're dreaming about a roar in the hail. Yes, I'm the farmer's daughter who's looking for the salesman that got away. The salesman that got Why couldn't have been you? Why, you're just a fence.
I suppose that's true. And yet I'm so much more.
Oh, you did talk.
I guess I did.
I'm on my way to see the Man in the Moon. I'm going to ask him for an assortment of Anne Murray records. Oh, and a rattle, too. That's right. And maybe you could come with me.
Maybe I could. And yet maybe I shouldn't. You see, that's my dilemma. I can't make up my mind.
Oh,
Oh, my dad was kind of wooden. Back in early childhood days. My cousin is a gate. In fact, I hear she swings both ways. My mother was barbed wire, and my sister is chain link. But since I am a picket, well, I'm not sure what to think. I can't offer my 2 cents because I'm sitting on the fence. My opinion swing and sway.
are you sure?
It's hard to say. I would love to make my mind up, but it's always in suspense.
South or north?
Can't decide.
Back and forth.
My thoughts collide.
But my slats would have a lovely point of view if I were sitting on the fence with you. Yeah, bring it! Let's get it! You'll get your pills. All right, should we wait to meet one more just for safety? You can bugger off. I'm not giving a shit. Now, wait a minute, Shimmy. I said that to Rat, Cecil. I'll tell you what the goddamn trouble is. If this were Hollywood instead of Canada, we would have had